How UK democracy works. Understanding the election of MPs and the journey of laws through Parliament. Electing members of Parliament. MPs are elected through first past the post, FPTP, during general elections, typically held every 5 years. Constituencies. The UK is divided into 650 voting areas, each electing one MP to the House of Commons. Candidates compete. Political party candidates compete for the MP position in each constituency. Voters choose. Citizens cast votes at polling stations for one candidate in their area. Winner takes seat. The candidate with the most votes wins, even without 50% majority. Government forms. The party winning 325 plus seats typically forms the government. 2019 election result: 365 Conservative seats. Boris Johnson's Conservative Party won a commanding majority in the 2019 general election. 650 Total constituencies. Each constituency across the UK elects one representative to Parliament. 325 Majority threshold. A party needs at least 325 seats to form a majority government. The FPTP system. Pros and cons. Advantages. Simple and quick to count results. Creates strong, stable governments with clear majorities. Provides direct local representation for each area. Disadvantages. Unfair to smaller parties with dispersed support. Many votes are wasted if candidates lose. Winners don't need majority support. 2015 example. UKIP received 3.8 million votes but won only one seat, whilst SNP received 1.5 million votes and won 56 seats, highlighting the system's disproportionality. How laws are made. A proposed law is called a bill. Both the House of Commons and House of Lords must approve it before it becomes an Act of Parliament. Bill introduced. Proposed legislation enters Parliament. Debate and review. MPs examine and amend the bill. Approval. Both houses vote to pass. Royal assent. King signs into law. The 7 stages of lawmaking. First reading. Bill introduced with no debate. MPs simply acknowledge its arrival. Example. Brexit Withdrawal Agreement Bill 2019. Second reading. Main debate on the bill's purpose and principles, followed by a vote. Example. Assisted Dying Bill 2015. Failed at this stage. Committee stage. MPs examine the bill line by line and suggest amendments. Example. Police, Crime, Sentencing and Courts Bill 2021. Report stage. Full House discusses and votes on committee changes. Example. Environment Act 2021. Strengthened air pollution targets. Third reading. Final debate and vote before moving to the House of Lords. Example. Nationality and Borders Bill 2022. House of Lords. Lords repeat the process and suggest changes but cannot permanently block bills. Example. Hunting Act 2004. Passed despite Lords' opposition. Royal assent. King signs the bill, making it official law, a formality since 1708. Example. Brexit Agreement 2020. When the Lords disagree. The House of Lords can delay a bill for up to 1 year under the Parliament Acts 1911 and 1949. However, the House of Commons can still pass the bill without Lords' approval if necessary. Historic example. The Hunting Act 2004, which banned fox hunting, was passed using the Parliament Act despite strong opposition from the House of Lords. Lawmaking process summary. First reading. Bill introduced. No debate. Brexit Bill 2019. Second reading. Main debate and first vote. Assisted Dying Bill 2015 failed. Committee stage. Detailed review and changes. Police Crime Sentencing Bill 2021. Report stage. Further debate and vote. Environment Act 2021. Third reading. Final vote in Commons. Nationality and Borders Bill 2022. House of Lords. Repeats process. Suggests changes. Hunting Act 2004. Faced opposition. Royal assent. King signs. Bill becomes law. Brexit Agreement 2020. The balance of power. House of Commons. Elected MPs hold primary law-making power and can override the Lords. House of Lords. Appointed members review and suggest improvements, but cannot permanently block legislation. The Monarch. Provides royal assent as a constitutional formality, cannot refuse bills. Key takeaways. Democratic elections. MPs are elected every 5 years using the first-past-the-post system across 650 constituencies. Commons supremacy. The House of Commons plays a bigger role than the Lords in passing laws and can override their objections. 7-stage process. Laws go through 7 key stages of scrutiny, debate, and voting before becoming official. Royal formality. The king must approve all laws through royal assent, but this is now purely ceremonial. Limited delays. The House of Lords can delay laws for up to 1 year, but cannot block them permanently.